Good morning, my dear lovely children. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. My dear children, in today's class, we will do the numbers up to 1000. Yes, the chapter number 5, numbers up to 1000. We have already done these all topics in chapter number 1, numbers up to 100. Yes, in our previous class, in yesterday's class, we have talked about the places of numbers and the number names. Yes, you all remember? And in today's class, we will talk about place value, face value, expanded form and short form of numbers. And I know you all remember the place and face values. सबको याद है? Very good. You all are very intelligent. Very genius children you all are. You all remember the place and face value. Yes, you have already done in our PT1. So, today we will revise the topic of place value and face value but with 3-digit numbers. So, first of all, bring out your books quickly and then open page number 63. Here is given the definition of place value and face value. प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फेस वैल्यू के बारे में अच्छे से यहाँ पर राइट किया गया है. मैम आपको यहाँ से समझाएंगे. Yes, I hope you all are excited for today's class. And now you all are ready for the class. So let's see here on page number 63, the place value and face value is given here. Place value signifies the place of a digit in a number and face value helps to identify the number. What is the face value? You all know face value of the number. Here is one number 23. 23. Okay, so we have to find out, you have to tell me the face value of 2. What is the face value of 2? Yes, it is 2 itself. 2 का face value 2 and 3 का face value 3. Same means face value identifies the face of digit. Face value helps to identify the number. Identify the number. Face value जो है वो number जो है वो itself है. Number ही face value है जो हमें सामने दिख रहा है. That is the number and that is the face value of number also. And place value signifies the value of place in a digit. Place value जो है वो digit का नंबर जो digit है उसका नंबर में क्या प्लेस है, वो किस प्लेस पर रिटर्न है, वो हमें बताता है. So now tell me the place value of 2. Face value is same 2. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 3 is 3. But now tell me the place value of 2. On which place 2 is written? See, ones, tens. So 2 is written on tens place means this is 2 tens. 2 tens. If it is written on number 2, if it is 2 tens means this is 20. 2 is 20 in this number. Yes. So the place value of 2 is 2 tens or place value of 2 is 20 also. Okay, place value of 2 is 20. Now we will do it with 3 digits. Now you all understand the place and face value. See in this picture, here is one number given 749. 749. So in this number, 7 is at the place of 100. See 749. 7 कौन से प्लेस पर है? 100 के प्लेस पर, तो 7 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7, प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फेस वैल्यू, ठीक है, ऑफ 7. Place value of 7 is 700 because it is placed on hundreds place. So the place value of 7 is 700. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value जो है वो कभी भी change नहीं होता, that is same. Now we will write the place value and face value of 4. Place value of 4 is written on tens place, ones, tens, 100. So it is written on tens place. So place value of 4 is 40, means 4 tens, means it is 40. Face value of 4 is again same, it is 4. Now place value of 9 and face value of 9. Face value is always change, it never change. Place value of 9 is 9 again because it is placed on ones place. This is only one digit number, means 9 ones is equal to 9. Yes, if we have only one digit number, then the place value of that number is also same. Understand? Now, let's talk about expanded form of numbers. You have already done it. Yes, you all knows how to do the expanded form. If we have a number 24, so what is its expanded form? 2 is tens, so 20. 1 is only ones, it means only 4. 2 tens plus 4 ones. This is called expanded form. जब हम इन नंबर्स को इनके प्लेस वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ राइट करेंगे तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? दिस इज कॉल्ड, इसको हम कहते हैं एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ नंबर्स. लेट्स सी इन द बुक पेज नंबर 64. हियर इज गिवन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ नंबर्स. Expanded form of numbers is written by breaking down the number according to the place value of each digit. अब देखिए हमने यहाँ क्या किया, हमारे पास 2 डिजिट्स हैं. In this number 24, we have 2 digits and we have broken it with its place value. हमने इसको इसकी place value के according ब्रेक किया, अलग अलग 2 टुकड़ों में लिख दिया, मीन्स इट इज एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ नंबर्स. The next is short form of numbers. Short form of numbers. The numbers 512, 743 and 209 are in the standard or short form. To write the standard form of a number from expanded form, write the face value of each digit in its correct place. See, 33. 33. This is a short form number. And 30 plus 3 or 3 tens plus 3 ones is its expanded form. If we have given this kind of number and we will arrange it like this, so this is the short form of number. Understand? Now we will do the same sums in exercise 5B. In exercise 5B, the first is write the correct number which has. अब हमें यहाँ पर इस कॉलम में करेक्ट नंबर राइट करना है. The first is given like this: 3 at the 100 place, 5 at the ones place, and 1 at the tens place. This is the first sum. 3 at the 100 place. We have to arrange these numbers in according to its place in this box. 3 on 100 place, 5 at ones place, and 1 at tens place. This is the place of ones, tens, and 100. First of all, in this box is like this. You have to write HTO, ones, tens, 100. Like this you have to write. And now arrange the numbers. 3 at the 100 place, 100 के नीचे 3, 5 at the ones place, 1 के नीचे 5, and 1 at the tens place. Here at below the T you have to write 1. So the number is 315. 315. In our next sum, again we have given one big box. You have to write HTO. In this box you have to write HTO, and now read it. 6 at the tens place. 6 at the tens place means we have to write 6 below the T. T के नीचे हम क्या लिखेंगे? 6. 5 at the hundreds place. 100 के नीचे, H के नीचे we have to write number 5, and 0 at the ones place. Ones के place पे हम लिखेंगे 0. So now we have the number 560. I hope you all understand and done it in your books. So let's have a look on second sum. Write the place value and face value of the underlined digits. Place value and face value. 721, and 2 is underlined like this. In first column we have to write place value, and in second column we have to write face value. B 149, and 1 is underlined here. In sum C 309, 3 is underlined. D 447, and this 4 at the middle is underlined. Now we have to write the place value and face value of the underlined number digit. Here we have to write place value of 2. What is the place value of 2? Place value means on which place the number 2 is placed. 2 number कौन से place पे है? See, ones, tens, 100. 2 is placed on tens. Very good. So means this is 2 tens. So we will write number 20 here. This is 2 tens means 20. Place value of 2 is 20. And face value of 2 is 2. Do the same work in your books. Okay, the next is 149. Now who will tell me the place value of 1 in this number? On which place 1 is placed? Yes, on hundreds place. Very good. So here we will write 100. The place value of 1 is 100 and face value of 1 is 1. 309. In this number, what is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? Very good. 300. Yes. How it is? How the place value of 3 is 300? Because 3 is placed on hundreds place. Very good. 300. And the face value is same again. 3. 4. The face value of 4 is 4. What is the place value of 4? this 4 is placed on tens place. So this is 4 tens, means 40. Understand? Very well done. Complete this work in your books quickly. And the third sum is given like this. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. I am making the same table on the board. Short form, expanded form. Okay. Short form and expanded form. See, here the first is given like this. Wait. One zero two. 300 plus 8. 270. 3 3 and 3. 215. 400 plus 30 plus 7. 843. 900 plus 90 plus 9. This kind of a table is here in your book. Now you all knows about the short form and expanded form. Short form is based on face value of numbers and expanded form is based on place value of numbers. 102. 1 is placed on hundreds place, so we will write 100, plus 0 is placed on tens place, so we will write nothing for the tens place. Here is 2 on ones place, plus 2. 100 plus 2 is equal to 102. The next is 300 plus 8. So 300, we will write 100 on 3 on hundreds place. Here we have nothing for tens. For tens place, here we have nothing. 8 is only ones. So we will write it on ones place. 270. 200 plus 7 means 70 plus 0. So here we will write nothing. 200 plus 70 is equal to 270. 333. First 3 is placed on hundreds place. So 300 plus another is placed on tens place. So 30 plus third one is on ones place. So it is 3. Now 215. First 2 is 100. 200 plus 1 is on tens place. So we will write 10 here plus only 5 because it is placed on ones place. Next is 400 plus 30 plus 7. So 400, 30 means 3 tens, 7 means 7 ones. 437. 843. 800 plus 4 tens, 40 plus 3 ones means 3. Understand? Good. 990 plus 9. 900 means 9. 9 tens, 9 and 9 ones. Again 9. 999 is the correct answer. I hope you all enjoy the today's class and understand the all topics. My dear kids, I hope you all have completed the 5B exercise. If not done, Then complete it in your home today. We will meet in our next class. Bye bye. Take care.